Welcome to part 4 of the Golf Mark II restoration. After some time, the new sheet metal panels arrived and we started cutting out the old ones. Now that we are coming to the end of the episode, I just wanted to show you what we have done. We have only been working on the passenger side for now, and we just wanted to see how bad the interior corrosion was. The inner panels right here do have some rust, but we think it's repairable. And of course, the outer panels, which are in that long box over here, have to be switched out on both sides. This bottom lip right here is pretty bad, so I will be bending a new piece of steel, probably in a 2mm plate, that will go from my thumb right here on the way to my index finger right here. In the passenger side front fender right here, there have been done some repairs by the previous owner, and they are pretty bad, so we have to figure something out. Either we have to do a body cut from another car, or we just have to make some new pieces that fit in extremely well. When the cars go through inspection, areas like these are the most likely to make it an invalid. We've also been trimming around the outer sill right here, and some of the stone plate on the corner right here as well. I'm pretty happy with the progress that we have done already, and if you like these kinds of videos, please write a comment, subscribe and like for the algorithm. Bye bye guys, see you later.